Hey Javier, how's it going? It's Eric with Whittier SEO, and here's the video that I promised you. So normally, what I like to do is I like to first get a quick sense at your online presence and see how that affects all the clients that you're currently getting and what you could be possibly getting in the future. So because we already established that you don't have a website, obviously every call that you would be getting would be through ads just like this one or any other type of promotion ads that you put out there. So if we quickly look at your offerings, we see that you do offer quite a bit. And like we discussed, you offer your machines, you do some artificial turf, trash removal, grass removal, all that kind of stuff. So you offer quite a bit of a broad range of services. So what we want to do initially is, let's just say for instance, we wanted to set up online presence and we wanted to build a website. We would have to focus in on one of those services as a primary, just so when people land on your page, they already know that this is the specialty, and once they look at all those back pages, all the service pages and that you have in the back, then you can start talking more about all the other services that you offer, and you could possibly actually be ranked for those back pages. Just if we do everything right, if we do all the right keywords, and if we implement all the right SEO techniques in order to get your site ranked. So here, let me just show you a quick example of what I mean. So here, when I went and researched machinery equipment, obviously CAT is nation renowned, right? So everyone knows this company, and they have. If you look back, when I typed in equipment rental, heavy machinery rentals near me, um, that's the first one that came up. Obviously, this is just a company that it would just be almost impossible to outrank them, especially in the first year or two. You would need much more tenure. But then you start seeing everything else, right? You start seeing all these other companies that show up and that have some type of a presence, although they're all pretty scattered. So what this means is that there's an opportunity to establish presence in every city and almost every area of your choosing, just as long as we do the SEO the right way. So let's just take, for example, we'll take the big company, which is the Quinn Company, and we'll just look at their webpage just to see some of the things that we could start implementing in your site in order to give you some online presence. This is their homepage. So as soon as you click on their website, this is where you land. As you can see, they have their equipment, they have their parts, they have service. These are all the different services that they offer, and product support and all that good stuff. And in their first page, they just give you some general idea of their equipment that they offer, um, and what areas you can rent from. But I mean, the page itself, it's not the greatest, but ultimately they do have a lot of power just because it's a big time company. And in this first page, let's just say, for instance, we were starting with your website, then we want to definitely put content on it. And we want to kind of structure it in the same manner where we're able to categorize each service that you offer. So it makes it very clear to your potential customer of everything that you could potentially do for them. And so if equipment was going to be the primary focus, then obviously we would put that on the first page. We would have a tab just for the equipment, and then we would go over each item that you offer and just give a brief description. And if you wanted to put your rates there, then you could do that as well. Or you could just have them contact you for those details. And then under services, then we would, list all the other services that you offer, just to make it more concise, more structured, and be able to guide your potential clients seamlessly through your page and be able to contact you for the right thing at the right time. So that's just one example of it. Now, If we take this page and then we put it here into this website where we're able to like really narrow down on the analytics of the page and the keywords. When for each machinery that you offer, obviously there's going to be a name attached to it. So let's just say, for instance, a Bobcat, right? If you offer Bobcat, then Bobcat is what you want to be found for here in Southern California. So we would go down and just by simply putting Bobcat and into within the Quinn company, we're able to see what keywords are actually being ranked for. And we see that, say for instance, Bobcat training near me, that draws attention. Bobcat rental Los Angeles, obviously that would be one that you would want to get. We see that 60 people search for this a month. Um, and Bobcat excavator controls, Bobcat rental service, not as popular. Bobcat for Southern California, so obviously there's a bigger draw for that and stuff like that. So my job in this particular case would just be to narrow down on which keywords are the most likely to produce the highest results for you and the rental service space. And that's just to give you an example as well. But I think I think that's pretty much the gist of it. Obviously, there's more things that I want to talk about, just like citations, just being able to use backlinks to be able to give your website once it's established more power. But all of this is being said to basically let you know that once we establish a website for you, what we want to do is do everything right according to search engine optimization in order to get your website and your services ranked for not just in the Inland Empire, Los Angeles, but all of the areas that you wish to cover. And once this is established, then obviously you'll have clients every time they go search up the machine offerings or the machine services that you offer. They'll be able to look you up as a company to potentially contact you. All right. Well, hopefully you find this video to your liking, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.